In this video we're getting a little bit new type of the question. It is a little different than the previous one what we were dealing with, a simple some angle, but here in the angle itself there is another trig ratio, that's cos 5x. If the question is like tan and the angle of the tan is cos 5x, and cos 5x itself another trig function, so little different it is, but the way is again the same to find out the derivative. So let me suppose this is my function y equals tan of the angle cos 5x, right? So again we have to differentiate both sides with respect to x as we were doing in the previous videos, right? Differentiating both sides with respect to x, we'll be getting now again derivative of this whole tan in the angle cos 5x with respect to x. So here what I have told you, like whenever you'll get tan, cos, cosine, sine, or any trig ratios whose power is 1, and that time you have to differentiate such trig ratios with respect to the angle of that, and angle is here cos 5x and here it is just x, so it's not going to match, means we need to walk here, right? So we have to differentiate this derivative of tan cos 5x with respect to the angle is here cos 5x, right? So with respect to cos 5x, now it's going to match, now it's perfectly matching, right? No problem. So since we have put here, we have divided from our side, we have to multiply it also, right? No compromise, we cannot change the rules. 5x, and now again, like see, I multiplied it, right? But initially I have just here dx, but I can write here directly dx because I cannot differentiate this cos 5x with respect to x, just because again the cos has the highest power 1 here. So in this case we have to differentiate this quantity with respect to its angle, and angle is here 5x, alright? So I'm going to again differentiate with respect to its angle, so derivative of this cos 5x with respect to its angle, (5x). And now again I have to multiply by the derivative of now again I have to multiply by this d5x here, d5x, because I have divided, so I have to multiply it also. And now I can easily I can differentiate this with respect to x. And now if you look, you know, I haven't changed anything, I haven't done anything different. I have just here divided and multiplied by the same quantity, divided and multiplied by the same quantity, and by doing so I'm not disturbing this thing. Whatever I had initially, I have the same thing again, and I got one thing easier. I can easily apply the rules here, like I can easily find out the derivative of this tan angle with respect to its angle. Similarly here, cos angle over angle, right? So it's now easy. So everybody know now the derivative of the tan theta with respect to theta is sec square theta, right? Derivative of tan theta with respect to theta is sec square theta. So instead of theta, if there is cos 5x, so what's the matter? Nothing. So we're writing here sec square. Instead of this theta, I will write now cos 5x. You might be confusing between my s and f. Alright, this is my 5 and this is s. Alright, now here derivative of the cos 5x, again derivative of cos theta with respect to theta is minus sine theta. So no matter if theta is 5x, so 5x is here as an angle, so it will be minus sine 5x, and again here cos 5x, so 5 is a coefficient and a number, it will come outside, and derivative of x, that's 1. That's it. So let's rearrange and we'll get the derivative. Alright, so our required derivative of the question is, I'm putting this 5 outside at the front, minus 5, alright, and then sine 5x times sec square cos 5x, and this is my required derivative of the given function. That's it. I hope you understand this type of problem. We'll be doing a little bit more, and that will give you definitely more concept, and it's really easy. Don't confuse, or don't like by watching the question, or don't think like, oh, how to do. It's not that much difficult. Again, use the same method that you were using in the previous videos. Every time, you know, whatever the videos are, like in any videos you will see, like almost every time I will try to do by the one method. So just try to learn one method, that will be enough. Alright, and later once you get confidence, you can easily discover the way, however, like you feel easy, you can twist. Once you know the all rules, you can use the rules in different way, and you'll never make mistakes. So first you should